So all around the promenade in the area I live, I've been seeing these signs saying that the road is going to be closed for over a week. So I brought my DJI Mini 2 with me for some investigation work on this beautiful morning to see what is going on, because there are some rumours about what is going on and some other images which are what I've seen. But in the area now, the whole promenade, there's loads of barriers all been set up, loads of signs, security setting up in different areas. What actually is rumoured to be happening is just over here now as well. There's loads of different film crews appearing in different trailers, but the actual filming of the new Star Wars movie or series is going to be taking place in this area for a whole week, and it's going to be taking place on all of this beach and promenade. I checked this morning before doing this, and there is no fly zone at the moment. I'm sure maybe when they're filming there might be, but a great advantage of this DJI Mini 2 is I'm able to fly in this area now with security around with no problems at all, because at the altitude it's at around about 50 meters. You just can't hear that drone, but we've also got the capability of the zoom as well, and that's another fantastic feature on this DJI Mini 2. As you can see now in this area, there's loads of different vans and trucks pulling up, putting barriers out. All this area here would normally be swamped with people walking the dogs and everything, but now the area is looking really dense and quiet because all these barriers are being put out, obviously ready for this filming which is going to be taking place in this huge area, all the promenade and all the beach. So I'm hoping that the no-fly zone remains the same, because from tomorrow we should be getting more and more film crew, more sets coming out, and be really interesting to see what actually is going to be taking part on this beach. I'm going to try and get as much footage as I possibly can, but as I say, all this whole promenade now is being barriered off, ready for the arrival. It is meant to be shut completely from tomorrow. I do think that the filming may take place from Monday. They're going to get it all set up over the weekend, but it's certainly interesting to see, and using that DJI Mini 2 to your advantage in this scenario is just another great example of it. You can see now these huge vans are turning up. Just using that zoom now, we've got 2x zoom in 4K, and the drone can become unnoticed due to its size. If you try doing this now with a larger drone, you're going to attract a lot more of attention, not just because of the size of it and it's more visible in the sky, but because of the actual noise as well from the propellers that it generates. So the DJI Mini 2 is a really good discreet drone to be able to fly, not only to get good images like this, but also to be more discreet. So over here now is where they've actually took over one of the car parks, and these seems to be now where the film crew are going to be. So in 2.7K, if you didn't know already, we've also got more of a zoom. So we've got 3x zoom in 2.7K and 4x in 1080p. So this DJI Mini 2 comes armed with lots of different zooms. They're not optical, they're digital, but they're good enough. As I say now, I can crop straight into this, straight on the drone itself. I can do it in post afterwards if I wish, but I feel I do this more and it's better quality doing it through the actual drone. You can see now starting to see some vans and lorries and stuff in here, but you can get a really great image with this DJI Mini 2. And it's going to be interesting to see just how busy and packed this car park is going to be, full of different film crews and sets and everything. Someone did manage to get a picture the other day before it was announced what's going to be happening, and in the tent just to the top there you see the white and the green tent. So that wasn't covered a few days ago. Now they've got lots of coverings all over the fences, so from actual ground level you can't see a thing over here, but the green one wasn't covered, and then you could see some of the actual vehicles they're going to be using, and some of them look like to be the Star Wars or crafts that they use, so they're all now hidden away in there. But it'd be interesting, and we're going to get more and more over the next couple of days arriving, and then obviously they're then going to be transferred over to the beach or to the promenade. So for this area, it's really interesting. We never get anything decent like this in this area, so to actually have a big film crew set arriving, it's going to be really interesting, and I will try my best to get some good footage from a distance away using and taking advantage of that DJI Mini 2's zoom, which is really great. And it's a whole massive area they're going to have to be able to film on in all this area, the promenade and all the beach. Do you love Star Wars? Are you interested in this? Let me know if you're a fan, and I'll try and get as many photos or videos as I can for you. Just let me know in the comments down below. But it's certainly going to be interesting over the next week just to see what is actually going to be taking part just underneath now where I'm flying on all of this beach. So a quick video there for you guys. Take care, and I'll see you all very soon, probably the same day, for another video today as well. Thank you.